Come on. Come on. I know you want it. Come on. There you go. No biting me. I'm fed up with you biting my shorts. Not my shorts. Joggies. Joggies. Bro, can you stop? You always have something to chew. Bro, stop. Stop. What is up, guys? I'm back with another video. Sorry for that long intro. I'm at my dad's. Yeah. And my truck is here. I can't take it home yet because my mom wants to be a booty and won't let me bring my baby home. Nothing like that. What is you doing? Hey, what is you doing? Ford Ranger XLT series. Nice little truck. Paint's a little faded up here. It's worse up here though. A whole lot worse. Now I'm gonna pop the hood right quick. I got a little something under the grill. I need to replace my grill, my bumper, because as you can see, the chrome is coming off. And I don't like rough chrome like that. It bothers me because I can't wipe it when I need it. Of course, the keys are not in here. I have them in my pocket. I don't need keys for the freaking thing. I'm all over the place, I swear. Watch out, little turd. Okay, hold up, I gotta put this. All right, now I can use two hands. You see this right here? Why am I touching that? I'm stupid. I could be electrocuted right now. That wire goes, and all this right here, all that is routed through off in here, through here, that little wire right there, and then through the fuse down. Y'all can't see. Hold up, let me turn the flashlight on. Right here, it's tucked up under there. I don't know if y'all seen it, but got it right here. Boom. What do you... Spit that out. Spit it out. Whatever. I put little 6-inch light bars on each side because my fog lights are trash, so I have to use those. And sorry for the bad hair. I woke up pretty early. Honestly, I just don't care about my hair. But I'm gonna do I'm gonna try to start a Ford Ranger meetup. I don't know, just something for me to go do, but I might. The meetup will be somewhere in Bryan, Texas. Now, I get my driver's license September 16th of 2019 and all that. Man, this truck stinks. For my dog. Oh my god. Smells like a doogie. I use Old Spice in my truck, so don't judge me. I will do more videos with the truck once I get it down to my house. I can taste it, bro. Anyways, I'm gonna go whenever I get it at my house, and I'm not saying where. I'm gonna get my windows tinted because you can literally see right through them. You can see right through, and I don't like that. I don't like people staring at me, so I'm gonna get them tinted a little bit. Let me put down the hood, and then my back window's already tinted. I gotta shut it. Hold up. Me and Lewis does vlogs. We are gonna help each other, or once I get my license, I'm gonna help him take care of his car. And I just put fingerprints on my window. I'm freaking dumb. And I'm gonna help him take care of his car. His car's a little dirty. I had to take out the seats, carpet, and everything. And now my truck is pretty much clean. This is a 1998 Ford Ranger XLT series. Stop, bruh, before I hit you. I'm gonna try to keep this truck original, except for the light bars. I needed that literally. And my truck, perfect size for me. I'm only 5'9". Maybe grew a little bit more. I don't know. I just hope I make it to 6 foot. I really want to be 6 foot. And I'm gonna wrap my gas tank thing. I'm gonna wrap it chrome. I bought some wrap to do it in chrome, since my whole truck is basically chrome, you know. I ain't finna put black on it when there's chrome, except for the fender things. I like the fender things. I don't know. I want to take the front ones off, but I don't want it hitting the paint coming when the rocks go flying back, so I don't want to chip it anymore. My truck has a little imperfections in it. This was a stop digging holes. No, bad boy. This was a work truck, like on a farm. All that. Hang on. No. Spit that out. You don't. Come here. No, you just gotta get in the bed of my truck. Come on, get up. Since you want to chew on dirt, you're digging dirt and stuff. Stay there. He's gonna be going everywhere with me, no matter what. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video. Let me know down in the comments below if you want to see more about my truck and know what we had to do to fix this all up. And I didn't give all the details about what we had to do inside. Because I'm trying to make another video about it. So I'm gonna try to post. I'm posting Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday this week. That's it. Until I go back home. So I'm staying at my dad's for about a week. So I have a truck to spend. I have a week to spend with my beautiful red truck. Oh yeah. I can't point in the camera. It's a side step. I can't. My mind is like, say this, say that. Nah, I don't care. All-terrain tires in the back. Regular tires in the front. To me, I like it. It looks good. It has that little beast look to it, and yeah, I just hit a boat. All right, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna actually end this video now. Shout out to this company, Cornwell Tools. Get this stick out of your mouth. On the back of it, it says old school muscle cars. I'll see if I can't get a reflection of it off something. That way you can see it. Oh, you can't get off my truck like that. Stop. No. All right, I'm gonna put a picture of it on the shirt. Shout out to this company, Cornwell Tools. I have a tool bag, I have knives, I have lights. Hang on. Okay, I have a lot of stuff from this company. Shout out to them. This is not sponsored, none of that. I just like their company and their tools and quality of stuff, heavy duty. So, all right, I'm gonna actually end this video. Peace out.